Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and felt a sense of profound wonder? A feeling of being infinitesimally small yet connected to something vast and ancient? Out there, scattered across the unfathomable distances of space, are phenomena that honestly just defy our everyday comprehension. They are the cosmic nurseries, the stellar graveyards, and the ethereal ghosts of long-dead stars. We call them nebulas. These are not just fuzzy patches of light, they're immense clouds of gas and dust, sculpted by the forces of gravity and radiation into some of the most stunning and mysterious artworks the universe has ever produced. They are where stars are born and where they die, painting the black canvas of space with colors our eyes were never meant to see. In this journey together, we're going to venture deep into the cosmic ocean to explore these celestial masterpieces. We won't just look at them, we'll try to understand them. What forces shape their intricate forms? What stories do they tell us about the life and death of stars and, honestly, about our own cosmic origins? We'll travel light years in an instant to witness structures that dwarf our solar system, structures that are both bizarrely alien and hauntingly beautiful. From pillars of creation to the coldest known place in the cosmos, prepare to witness the 10 most extraordinary nebulas ever discovered. So, get comfortable, dim the lights. Let your imagination take flight as we embark on this voyage. The universe is waiting, and it has some spectacular sights to share. We'll be your guides through these swirling clouds of dust and gas, uncovering the science and the sheer unadulterated beauty that lies hidden in the depths of space. Let's begin our exploration of the universe's most bizarrely beautiful nebulas. The cosmos awaits. Our first destination takes us about 1,500 light-years away to the constellation of Orion the Hunter. Here, we find one of the most recognizable silhouettes in the entire cosmos, the Horsehead Nebula. It's not a source of light, but a shadow. A cold, dark cloud of interstellar dust, so dense that it blocks the brilliant pinkish glow of the emission nebula IC434 behind it. It's a stark, dramatic figure, a cosmic chess piece set against a backdrop of stellar fire. You can almost feel the chill of deep space just by looking at it. This isn't just a random shape, it's a testament to the powerful, unseen forces at play in the galaxy. The beauty of the Horsehead lies in its stark contrast, a cosmic negative space. The top of the head is being slowly eroded by the intense radiation from the nearby massive star Sigma Orionis, a process called photoevaporation. This stellar wind is what carves out the delicate rippling details you see. But this nebula is also a place of beginnings. Hidden within its dark folds, shielded from that harsh radiation, new low-mass stars are quietly forming. It's a place of both destruction and creation. A dark monument that tells a complex story of stellar life cycles, a truly mysterious and beautiful cosmic landmark. Now let's travel to the year 1054 AD. On Earth, Chinese astronomers recorded the appearance of a guest star, so bright it was visible during the daytime for weeks. What they witnessed was a supernova, a cataclysmic stellar explosion. Today, almost 1,000 years later, we can point our telescopes to that very spot in the constellation Taurus and see its aftermath, the Crab Nebula. It's not a gentle cloud, it's the expanding, shredded remains of a star that died a violent death. Its beauty is chaotic, a tangled web of glowing filaments that look like lightning frozen in time, a snapshot of an explosion still unfolding in slow motion. At the heart of this cosmic wreckage lies the engine that powers its ethereal glow, a pulsar. This is the super-dense, spinning core of the original star, rotating an incredible 30 times per second. As it spins, it sweeps beams of radiation across the nebula, like a cosmic lighthouse, causing the gas to fluoresce in a mesmerizing display of colors. Each filament, each wisp of gas, is a piece of the star's former self, hurled into space at millions of miles per hour. The Crab Nebula is a reminder that even in death, the universe can create something of breathtaking, intricate beauty. Some nebulas are the chaotic remnants of explosions. Others are the final, more graceful sighs of dying stars, like our own sun. Journey with me now 3,300 light-years away to the constellation Draco, where we find the Cat's Eye Nebula. Looking at it is like peering into a cosmic kaleidoscope. It's one of the most structurally complex planetary nebulas ever discovered, a series of concentric gas shells, jets of high-speed gas, and intricate knot-like features. It doesn't have a single simple shape. It has at least 11 distinct rings of gas, all nested within each other like a set of cosmic Russian dolls. The mystery of the cat's eye is how it became so complex. A single dying star shouldn't be able to create such a hypnotic symmetrical pattern. The leading theory is that there isn't one star at the center, but two. A binary star system, dancing a gravitational tango, could have ejected these shells of gas in pulses, at different times and in different directions, sculpting this elaborate structure over thousands of years. Each ring is a historical record of the star's death throes. It's a celestial puzzle, a beautiful enigmatic structure that challenges our understanding of how stars end their lives. Let's come a little closer to home, to a mere 700 light-years away in the constellation of Aquarius. Here we find an object so vast and so striking that it has earned the nickname the Eye of God. This is the Helix Nebula. From our perspective on Earth, we are looking directly down the barrel of a cylinder or helix of glowing gas. It appears as a giant cosmic eye staring back at us from the depths of space. It's one of the closest and brightest planetary nebulas, a vision that is both awe-inspiring and for some deeply humbling. It feels personal, as if the universe itself is watching. This nebula is the final act of a sun-like star. The central star, now a white dwarf, has cast off its outer layers, which are expanding out into space. The vibrant colors we see are gases reacting to the intense ultraviolet radiation from that hot central core. The red is from hydrogen and nitrogen, while the blue-green in the center comes from oxygen. Strewn throughout the nebula are thousands of cometary knots, dense clumps of gas with long tails streaming away from the central star. The Helix Nebula is not just an eye, it's a window into the future of our own solar system, billions of years from now. Prepare for one of the most visually stunning objects in our galactic neighborhood. 3,800 light-years away in the constellation, Scorpius lies NGC 6302, more poetically known as the Butterfly Nebula, and the name is perfect. It's a breathtaking bipolar nebula with two enormous lobes or wings of gas stretching out from a central dying star. These wings span over 3 light-years, yet they are incredibly delicate and intricate in their structure. The colors are simply astonishing. Vibrant reds, blues and purples, painted across the cosmos by superheated gas traveling at more than 600,000 miles per hour. The star at the center of this celestial butterfly is one of the hottest known in our galaxy, with a surface temperature of over 400,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It's hidden from direct view by a dense, dusty torus, a donut-shaped cloud of material that funnels the star's outflow into this distinctive two-lobed shape. This dusty ring is what creates the body of the butterfly, pinching the flow of gas and directing it outwards to form the magnificent wings. It's a violent, energetic process that results in one of the universe's most delicate and symmetrical works of art. In 1995, the Hubble Space Telescope captured an image that would become one of the most iconic in the history of astronomy. It took us 7,000 light-years away to the Eagle Nebula and showed us a feature that looks like it was sculpted by the hands of giants, the Pillars of Creation. These are colossal towers of interstellar gas and dust, larger than our entire solar system. The tallest pillar is an incredible 4 light-years high. They are not solid, but ghostly and translucent, silhouetted against the bright glow of a cluster of young hot stars located above them. Like the Horsehead Nebula, the pillars are being relentlessly eroded by the powerful radiation and stellar winds from that nearby star cluster. The ultraviolet light evaporates the less dense gas, revealing denser pockets within the pillars. These pockets, called evaporating gaseous globules or eggs, are the incubators for newborn stars. So while the pillars themselves are being destroyed, they are also the very place where new suns are being born. It's a breathtaking scene of cosmic life and death, a dramatic, awe-inspiring vista where creation is happening right before our very eyes. We often associate nebulas with the intense heat of stars, but our next destination is precisely the opposite. Let's travel 5,000 light-years to the constellation Centaurus, to the Boomerang Nebula. This object holds a remarkable record. It is the coldest known place in the natural universe. Its temperature is a mind-boggling -458 degrees Fahrenheit, or just 1 degree Kelvin. That's actually colder than the faint background glow left over from the Big Bang. It's so cold because the gas is expanding away from its central star incredibly rapidly, about 100 times faster than in other similar nebulas. This rapid expansion acts like a cosmic refrigerator, causing the gas to cool dramatically. The nebula's shape is also, well, pretty bizarre. Early ground-based telescopes saw a lopsided boomerang-like shape, hence the name. But higher resolution images from Hubble revealed a more complex bow tie or hourglass structure. It's a pre-planetary nebula, a very brief phase in a star's evolution just before it casts off its outer layers for good. The Boomerang Nebula gives us a rare glimpse into this fleeting moment, showcasing an extreme of nature that is as strange as it is beautiful. Let's now leave our own Milky Way galaxy and take a trip to one of our cosmic neighbors, the Large Magellanic Cloud, 160,000 light-years away. Here we find a true monster, the Tarantula Nebula. This isn't just a nebula, it's a stellar nursery of epic proportions. It is the most active star-forming region in our entire local group of galaxies. If the Tarantula Nebula were as close to us as the Orion Nebula, it would cast shadows on Earth and be visible during the day. Its sheer size is staggering, spanning nearly 1,000 light-years across. It gets its name from its spidery, web-like appearance, a sprawling network of glowing gaseous filaments that resemble the legs of a giant arachnid. At its heart is a supercluster of massive, brilliant blue stars, known as R136. The intense radiation and powerful stellar winds from these giant stars are what carve out the nebula's cavities and intricate shapes. The Tarantula Nebula is so large and so active that it's a perfect laboratory for studying how massive stars are born and how they influence their environment on a galactic scale. It's a chaotic, brilliant, and truly colossal cosmic spider's lair. Nature loves spheres. Stars are spheres, planets are spheres. So when we find something in space that is sharply geometric, it immediately captures our attention. 2,300 light-years away in the constellation Monoceros, we find one of the most unusual objects in the cosmos, the Red Rectangle Nebula. It's not just reddish, it's a near-perfect rectangle, with strange, ladder-like rungs that cross its surface. This is not what we expect a dying star's final breath to look like. Its shape is so crisp, so architectural, that it seems almost artificial. The secret to its bizarre shape, much like the cat's eye, is believed to be a binary star system at its center. But here, the interaction is different. One of the stars has shed its outer layers, but instead of forming a sphere, the material was funneled by a thick, dusty disk into two opposing cones of outflow. From our unique vantage point on Earth, we are looking at these two cones from the side, giving them the appearance of a rectangle. The rungs are likely shock waves created as the outflowing gas expands and collides with itself. It's a stunning example of how perspective and physics can conspire to create a truly alien geometric masterpiece. Our final stop on this cosmic tour brings us to an object whose shape is as peculiar as its name. 8,000 light-years away in the constellation Norma lies the Ant Nebula. Officially Menzel 3, it bears an uncanny resemblance to the head and thorax of a common garden ant. It's a bipolar nebula, but its lobes are unusually complex and bright. The intricate patterns and sharp filaments within the lobes are what make it so strange. What kind of stellar process could create a structure that so closely mimics a terrestrial insect? The central star is a sun-like star in its final stages, but the speed of the gas being ejected is astonishingly fast, over 2 million miles per hour. This suggests something more is going on. One theory is that the central star has a close companion, perhaps another star or even a planet, that has been engulfed. The gravitational energy from this interaction could be powering these incredibly fast outflows. Another possibility is that the central star has a very strong magnetic field that is shaping the ejected gas. The Ant Nebula remains a profound mystery, a bizarrely beautiful cosmic insect that keeps its secrets well hidden. And so, our journey through the Cosmic Art Gallery comes to a close. We have witnessed gigantic shadows, the ghosts of exploded stars, hypnotic eyes, and celestial butterflies. We've seen pillars of creation, the coldest place in the void, and shapes so strange they seem to defy the laws of nature. Each nebula is a unique story, written in the language of gas, dust, and light, a story of birth, death, and transformation on a scale that is almost impossible to grasp. These structures are not just beautiful, They are a fundamental part of the cosmic ecosystem. The elements forged within these stars and scattered by these nebulas are the very same elements that make up our planet, our bodies, and everything we know. We are, in a very real sense, the children of the stars. When we look at these nebulas, we are looking at our own cosmic ancestry. The universe is not a static, empty place. It is dynamic, creative, and filled with a beauty that is both bizarre and profound. From the red rectangle to the Crab Nebula, each one offers a different perspective on the grand unfolding story of the cosmos. The more we look, the more we learn, and the more we realize how much more there is to discover. The search for knowledge, like the universe itself, is endless. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these celestial masterpieces captured your imagination the most? Was it the iconic silhouette of the horse head, the chaotic beauty of the crab, or the geometric precision of the red rectangle? Let us know in the comments below. And if you, like us, feel a deep sense of wonder for the cosmos and want to continue exploring its mysteries, be sure to subscribe and join us on our next voyage. Until then, keep looking up.